Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your August 2020 love reading for Scorpio. So let's see, Scorpio, what you have. So 7 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, the Chariot, 5 of Swords, 5 of Swords in reverse, King of Rods, 7 of Cups, and this is the likely outcome. This is 4 of Swords and the World card. So let's go with this. Scorpio, here I feel that you are working towards a relationship in all possibles way. You're working really hard, you are caring, nurturing, you are putting a lot of effort to make this relationship work. It is like there have been issues from a recent past, and you are the one who is nurturing, who is giving all the attention, who is giving all the care to the relationship. And at certain point in August, you are feeling tired and confused, and you do not know where you stand in this person's where do you stand in this person, in your person's life. This is what I get. You are in doubts that whether this relationship will continue or not. So this is what I get with this 3 of Swords. You can see there is a heartbreak. There is a card of maybe the relationship might fall apart, so you are working towards that. Or it could be that a relationship would just fall apart, or for some of you it has already it's fallen apart, and it's about your ex, and you're still trying to work on this situation here. So this is now then we get this Chariot. So some of you have worked out, and you are totally exhausted, and then still you face this heartbreak that your person has left you in cold, and have moved, and then I feel that they have moved on. They have moved on with this Chariot card. This is what I feel. Also, it could be vice versa, that after working so hard, still you get a heartbreak, and you finally decide to move on with your life. You have thought each and every aspect of your relationship, and you finally decided to move on, Scorpio. Now what I feel here. So with this 3 of, now 4 of Swords in reverse. So 4 of Swords in reverse is like sometimes the conflict, sometimes there are certain things you don't know. So you were quiet, and you didn't want, although you were going on with lot of chaos inside your mind, you didn't want to reason out what could be the reason earlier, but now you want to find out a reason, what I feel here, regarding the fallout, or even here I feel that some of you are still moving away from that doubt, and you had doubts earlier regarding your relationship, so you are becoming decisive, and you want to carry your relationship forward here. So some of you who had who is having a rough patch, for some of you it's this story, and for some of you it's like you want to work towards reconciliation, you want to work towards this relationship further, and a fresh start. That is what I feel here, because the next is the King of Rods. Yes, you are wanting to work towards the love. It could be a new love, or it could be the love which had hit a rough patch, and you want to take it in a fresh way. You want to take it forward. You want to give all the love and all the support, and all the nurturing, passionate, everything. You want to be passionate about. So this thing is talking about reconciliation here for some of you. And with a fresh, vibrant, joyous, happy energy, you want to take this relationship forward here. It could be new, it could be an ex, it could be somebody who's already in the life. Now 7 of Cups. this is like you having lot of options. Singles, you know, they're very attracted, you are very attractive, lot of you know, your person is really attracted to you, and you have a lot of options, lot of people have set their eyes on you, and you are also looking. Basically this is singles energy. They are, you know, find you sensual, you find you, you know, hot and happening, and they see you as that, you know, that prince charming. This is the energy, Scorpio, of singles or those looking for love here. And you are also looking at different options that you are having, and it gives you a lot of you know, happiness and thrill inside that, you know, you are happy to get that attention. That is what I feel, Scorpio, for some of you. And that is what, be open to love. It is a great month for singles, for a great month for singles in love, and those who are reconciling too, I feel, because these three cards is one after another. You can see these three cards one after another, you know, getting coming out of that conflicting reconciliation, taking it to the next, you know, you with a fresh zest, fresh energy, and being very happy and joyous. So singles having great time also for those reconciliation, but there is a heartbreak for few of you here, wherein the relationship will fall apart. Now let us see that what could be the likely outcome. Four of Swords and the World together. So for some of you, you know, you were healing, you moved forward with this heartbreak and you were healing yourself. So now you are taking a step forward, you want to move forward, you are going in a different direction. One phase, one cycle of your life is complete with this healing card. Those who are coming out of a heartbreak and here they are healing, and now you are going towards a new cycle of, you know, love, or maybe, you know, new way or new cycle of your life. This is what I feel. Even for the you know, lovers who have lot of option, it's a new cycle. You might find somebody very attractive and the kind you want, who really has interest in you. So there is a change. So it's a new cycle for the new you know, having a new love in your life. New cycle starts for some of you here, Scorpio. So as far as I feel that, you know, there is earth sign, there is, you know, earth sign, and you know, there is I mean fire signs in your life. Yeah, air signs. So King of Rods, you have Aquarius, you know, Sagittarius, Capricorn, and you have Taurus, Cancer. So almost every sign you have, like, you know. So mostly I feel Scorpio having great love life, in except for few cases, very few of them, which is going through this Three of Swords and recovering and healing also, and moving forward. So this is a general reading. It might resonate with you know, few of you, or maybe more of you, but it might not resonate with few of you. So it are different stories with different people. So keep whatever resonates with you, and hopefully you will have a great month in love, Scorpios. Singles, I can see really having a blast and reconciliation, and you know, hope for the best in the next monthly reading. So thank you for taking your time out and watching this video. If you do like my readings and it resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, Indiana 11 Tarot. Thank you so much.